Hey guys, Frank Curzio here with another live video. Today the big story is how the QQQs, NASDAQ 100 large technology stocks have hit an all-time high today. And the name of this, and I titled this live video, Why It's Time to Rotate Out of Tech Stocks. And I'm going to share my screen here, show you a couple things that are really interesting. So here's a chart and figures from a great company, Evercore, that does a great job covering the economy and doing surveys with CFOs. So if you're looking at airlines, see the airlines right here. I'll highlight really quick for you guys. So the airlines right here are starting to bounce back, what we're seeing. The truckers are starting to bounce back. Remember, this is February. This is from the beginning of the year. Home builders, very nice move, again, from February over here. But I want you to take a look at tech. So these are the tech companies, and look at this rebound. This is the February high right here, and you're looking at a rebound right here that isn't too great considering they're trading at all-time highs. To me, that tells me you're going to see a little bit of a rotation out of tech, but there's more evidence of this. I'm going to share something else with you now, guys. And this is pretty cool. This is my Capital IQ system. We have to pay a lot of money for this. This is just a simple chart system, but I like what it does, and you'll see in a minute. So here is the QQQ. Here's the NASDAQ 100. As you can see, stocks are trading, right? New all-time high it hit. You can look back out 5 years and see, again, this is unbelievable. Now, I want to change the metric on this. Now, let's go from where stocks are trading to their forward PE, guys. This is important. This is the 1-year forward PE. It's at 30. Let's look at the 5-year. And this takes a second. So you have, again, look at where it's trading. Now look 10 years. This is the most expensive valuation we've seen in close to 20 years, just to show you how high valuations are. Okay, if you're looking to put that in perspective, at 30, the average is 18. That's what we traded over the past 10 years, and it's trading at 30 times forward earnings. What does that mean? It's very rare to see stocks go up in the face of earnings going lower. You really don't see that often. Even during a tech crisis, we saw revenue numbers going higher, more people started using the internet, valuations got inflated, and then the market crashed. This is a rare market where you're seeing earnings not getting back to normal. We're not getting back to normal where we were in 2019, and we're not going to get back to normal to 2021, yet we're trading at all-time highs. Is the market's going to continue to go higher? Probably, because we have $6 trillion already spent and another $6 trillion or another $3 trillion in the US, but I have a whole list, and maybe I'll do another video for you guys. I'm doing research of every single country of the stimulus packages, not that will launch, but are going to be launched throughout today through 2021. So you're basically taking the economy out of the equation because you're throwing all this money into it and printing new money. We know it's going to result in huge consequences later on, longer term, but not in the short term. So we could see stocks go up. But the key to this is technology stocks are trading at crazy valuations right now. Do they deserve those valuations? Not necessarily. There is a lot of money coming to the market. So I would be rotating out of tech. Been saying this to my subscribers for a while. Small caps, you're looking at airlines, you're looking at cruises, you're looking at all the companies that are looking to play catch up. Even the airlines are up tremendously off their lows, 50% in the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But when you're looking as a whole, it's still down 50, 60% from their highs. So these companies are going to play catch up. You're going to see more rotation out of tech into this. And it's a good time to really start buying these small caps with all the stimulus coming in. Questions, comments? Send me an email, frankcurzioresearch.com. And as always, I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.